Well, today we received this Xiaomi device, which has it's a little padlock in the upper left corner that we're going to be able to recover it, since the customer who brought us this device has forgotten. What was the screen lock? It reset it after it reset by. It was also fully set up with the Google account and the Gmail account. Forgotten if that's your case. Well, in this video tutorial we're going to show you a completely different method. An updated method so you can also recover this device and be able to solve account deletion in one of the easiest ways. And faster than what we're going to use today in this video tutorial is without needing of using the PC. This would be a completely PC-free method. If that's your case, and your phone is completely locked, well, in this video tutorial we're going to explain and recommend. Watch the video step by step without skipping ahead, because sometimes it can happen that we fast forward through the video tutorial and miss some details. To prevent this from happening, what we are going to do is the following. Let's go to our Wi-Fi network. We're going to connect and we're going to get to the point where what appears. It's that screen lock where we see that Google account. Okay, we're going to get to the point where we're going. Okay, let's get to where that screen lock is, and where there's that Google account, that's where we'll be enabling some functions that would help us to be able to. We also want to tell you that in recovering our phone, we want to tell you that we'll also leave the video description in the first pinned comment. Other completely different methods. Methods without a PC and some methods using a PC. We're going to leave those, varieties of method aside so we recovered it, and as we have indicated, without needing to use any PC. A completely PC-free method, apart from the fact that it requires that block. The screen also asks us for our Google account. Sometimes it happens that there are people who, they know the Google account but don't know how to log in. Okay, in this video tutorial we're going to explain, if you happen to be the person who knows, your account. Here we have what the screen lock is. Here we have what? It's the Google account where it says to use my Google account to. Those people who know that, we recommend adding. Click on the next link in your email to add the password, and that will give you access. If you don't know the email address, then write the phone number that was on the email. You type, you click next. You will also receive a verification code. That would give you the option to access your device. But let's say you don't know about any of those options. Then you're going to click here where it says, Forget Gmail, and you're going to type the following. You click next, you're going to write it here, and here too. Now we're going to do this for 30 seconds. Once those 30 seconds have passed, we'll return what? It goes backwards until you reach the following settings. This video tutorial uses a completely different method, updated to the latest versions of Android. In the video description and also in the first comment. We have fixed other completely different methods. Updated, we go back. We go back again, backwards, we go backwards. Let's go ahead. Previously we could enter here through policy and privacy. But this option has been enabled for us, which is the first one. Let's select that first one, and now let's go down and look for some green letters here. We're going to scroll down. Here we'll see this option that says Xiaomi icon. Let's select it, then we'll scroll down here, we'll keep scrolling down. Here we're going to look for what a URL is. Here's this URL that says http akinxiaomi.com, that's the one we're going to select. Now that would take us to this section. Then we're going to select this option that it says here, without logging in with a Google account. Then we're going to click down here in the lower left corner where it says, Help. We selected Help. Then what we're going to do is click on it. Magnifying glass to these blue letters that appear here. This is so that we are not automatically selected. Now that it's selected, click here where it says Share. They're going to move it to one side, they're going to select what's a message. In some cases, it sometimes asks us to enter a credit card information. If it doesn't let you in, you have to enter a PIN and it will return you. Wait 30 seconds and go back in, click here where it says New. Here we will write a number, we select any number. We give him the little camera here, we take a picture. We click here, and we click on the camera to take the photo. We click on Share here and select this Google Maps option. Let's select this Google Maps option. We click here to skip, we give you all the terms here. We click Cancel, we click the X, we say Yes. Now we're going to have this little ball here, this profile we're going to select, this profile. We're going to click here on Settings, then Notifications, and activate these notifications. We went back, we went in, they are enabled. We go back, we click here on Location, we click OK. We go to Accessibility Settings, we go back. We click here where it says Location Setting. From Google, and then we're going to select this option that says All. Then we click here where it says More, we click here where it says Show System. Here we select the Google Play services. We're going to click here where it says Disable. We disabled those Google Play services, and now what we're going to do is restart our phone. When our phone restarts, we'll wait for it to restart completely before finalizing this process. Recovery. That's why it's always recommended to watch the step-by-step video tutorial so you don't miss any details and you can solve and recover your device in one of the easiest and fastest ways, which is without using any PC. A completely PC-free method. We also want to let you know that in the video description and in the first pinned comment, we've left out other completely different methods. You'll be able to find updated methods there. Now what we're going to do is turn off the Wi-Fi network and then turn it back on. Why do we do that? Because it often happens that it's already deactivated. If we connect it to the Wi-Fi network, it turns on. The screen goes blank to prevent correcting these errors. So we deactivate the network, we click here, we click the little arrow here. If we click Jump here, the screen will start flashing. When we get this screen like this, then we go back. We hope the Wi-Fi network will be enabled again, and then we'll do the same route. We're going to do the same route to enable it. The A to enable Google Play services. This is one of the easiest and fastest ways to be able to. We can recover your device if it has that screen lock. We'll look for the same one. The option we had made, we'll select it here. Here we use this one, now we're going to scroll down and select the URL. The same URL to log in. Here we are, well, let's try it again here to see. Because, let's see, we get the same option here. It's happening to us now. Sometimes this happens, and some errors often remain. So what we do is go back. We go in, we go back in, we wait for it to load. We wait for it to load, we go back and enter again. Let's see if we can eliminate this error. We're going to go down. It seems we've been taken somewhere else here. Here it is, let's try it again. Let's see if the URL shows up now. Let's see, it seemed to come out here, it came out here, now it's really out. You see, you have to do it several times like that because sometimes, the way we leave it, that point usually remains. So by doing that we'll undo everything. We give help here, we give help, we do the same. We click on share again, then we search for Gmail services. Now we click here on skip, we enable Gmail. We enable it, it's enabled, we go back, we go back. Backwards and backwards. And back again, and back again. Backwards, now we go forward. Okay, we click here on skip, we click here. We'll give you the arrow here to show what we're going to do. It's to disconnect the Wi-Fi network, let's click here on forget. Let's click forget, okay, to show nothing. We give it to them, we remove any card if we have one inserted. We click skip, we remove the card, we click skip again. We click here on jump again, we are in the final steps. Sometimes we end up with some mistakes, we always end up with some mistakes. The screen freezes, it doesn't work properly. If that's your case, then what you're going to do is the following. Let's wait until it takes us directly to the home page. Having already started here, we can eliminate all those errors. Now what we are going to do is the following. Let's wait for it to load, then we'll go to settings, and once we're here in settings, we're going to talk about the phone, and in talking about the phone let's see what it's like to reset the phone or in the system, we click on reset if we typed reset here and that's it.